Yo.
What is she doing, Angel? Can you mimic her? Who is doing louder? Who is doing louder? Angel doing louder. Oh, but Angel had a cough. Now Annie turn. Now Annie turn. Wait. She's also doing louder. Now your turn. Now Annie turn. Hold on, Annie turn. No. Okay, now Annie turn. She's saying abu, abu. You're not saying abu. You're laughing, see? Uh-oh. Peekaboo. She was playing peekaboo now, Angel. She was playing peekaboo. Annie, where are you? Annie, where are you? Annie, where are you? Okay, now Angel turn. Angel, where are you? Angel, where are you? Angel, where are you? Peekaboo. I think she's looking for your goggles, for your swimming goggles. I think she won that. Yeah, give it to her. Give it to her. Let's see. I think maybe she's looking for a book. Oh, she like you. She like your swimming goggles. Oh. Oh, Annie says, "Can I try?" No, give in her hand, Angel. Oh. Annie! Annie look funny. She look funny, Angel. Do you find her funny? Did she look funny? Oh, see? She's holding it very strongly. I think she liked this pink color one. You wanna switch? You wanna give her the pink color one and you wanna take the yellow one? Wait, you like pink color? Okay, we'll give a yellow color to Annie. Okay, that's fine.
Like, subscribe, goodbye, thank you.